Hi, welcome to Yacht. I'm Chef Sabrina Breezy Arlotta, and here today to help you and your body feel better while you're in the kitchen on Yacht. Today we're going to practice doing something that will help you so much for all of the years that you are a chef, whether you're at home or on yacht or on land. And that's becoming a little bit ambidextrous within the kitchen. It's very stressful on your body to be a chef because we're always, especially if you're right-handed or left-handed and you're always doing everything with the same sign, you become a little lopsided, and we don't have a whole lot of time as chefs, so we need to do everything we can to maintain our health and our well-being and our strength. Keeps us happy and makes our food taste even better when we're in the galley. So here's something really simple. Well, it might require a little practice, but every task that we can do right-handed, switch it up and try to do it left-handed. And it's funny how your dominant hand will want to move the potato, but move the brush. It's a potato this time, but whatever you happen to be cleaning, and change it up a little bit. You're always using your right hand. You're always using your right hand. So again, give it a try. Don't move the potato because that would be using your right hand or your dominant hand. And just practice. By the time you get to the end of your bucket of potatoes, you'll actually be pretty good at it. And your body will thank you. Your other side will even out a little bit. Even if I'm going to wash something, let's say I would normally do it right-handed, but let's switch and try it the same exact way. Every little bit helps.